What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we got a banger. This video is probably going to be all over the place because of one, it being my first time, but two, of how excited I actually am. I thought it was just going to be like a bunch of cars parked and everyone just kind of scattered everywhere, but no. As you guys can see, there are some other people around us, but no one too close where it is an issue. So first I have to set some stuff up. I'm not really a fan of this tree, but it's all right. All right, so this I need to put up here. This, I think that goes like that. Okay, cool. Super excited, super like don't know how to take this whole thing in. So they gave us a bunch of papers. Now, most of them are trash, but the map is pretty important. So as you guys can see, First Landing State Park, Virginia Beach, Virginia. If you guys are interested, we are right here. We're right here, so that's pretty sick. I like that we're kind of, you know, right by the road. The road is all the way over there, like behind those woods. So car noise is gonna be an issue tonight while we're sleeping, but I'm a heavy sleeper, so we'll be okay. Secondly, they have bathrooms. So that tent, I won't need to be using it for bathroom purposes. One downfall, that they told me I can leave at any time and then come back, so there's no like re-entry fees. I may get hungry at night and not want to eat the food that I brought, and I may just sneak out. So far, what do you think?
I like it.
I'm excited.
I'm so excited.
There's some stuff that I want to dry out because, well, we got to the beach and it rained and then we had to change inside of here. I didn't know this was waterproof. We're gonna let this bad boy dry off. Hopefully it's dry by tomorrow, and that's gonna be fun. Trying to sleep through that. But camping, I don't know. If I'm doing something wrong, let me know in the comment section down below. I got all my gear and stuff. I got my food. I'll show you guys my cooler in a little bit. I definitely need a bigger cooler. Like I said, we're buying things as we go. Cooler, you're number one. This pop-up tent is super sick. Sandy's in there changing right now. You guys cannot see her, which is a good thing. We are going to be sleeping inside the truck. Sandy packed for like a family of 30. I have no idea what any of this stuff is. I just told her to bring a blanket and I see like 4 bags. All right, so we came to our first destination. First step is to use the bathroom. They had one at the registration office, which was way nicer than this. I probably should have just used that. I'm also gonna put the camera down now before I end up in jail. All right, so we made it back. It is currently 4:49. Probably gonna start getting dark at like 6. So I'm just gonna eat a snack right now. So Sandy's eating oranges. Yeah, I saw these at Walmart and I couldn't resist. So first thing I realized, we need a cutting board.
Plates.
We need plates. I would prefer it to be a little bit more secluded.
I get what you're saying, but at the same time, more seclusion makes me more scared.
So this is the parking. I kind of left the truck a little bit more that way just so that we had this little area to kind of chill out. It says 2 vehicles. I don't know if 2 vehicles would fit unless it was like a Tacoma and like a smart car, maybe. Check this out. So this is the little trail, this little trail right here. We're trying to get to the beach. So this is actually pretty sick. If someone could camp right here, that would actually be pretty dope. I'm not entirely sure if you can. This one was available. Now we're getting up to a turn that I'm not aware of, and I'm starting to panic. Beach.
Oh my God.
Over yonder. Some of these sites do have water and electricity. Mine doesn't have either. Oh my God, and there's a shower there. This is so nice. It literally looks like I'm going off into the trees. It gives the illusion like you're super high up in the air. Yo, look at you guys can see the water out there. So I hope you guys are enjoying this far into the video. If you are, like, a comment, and a subscription. This is my first ever camping trip ever. I'm 22 years old and I'm really liking this. So far so good. So if you're interested in watching more videos like this, I'll only know by your interaction, liking, commenting, subscribing, sharing this video. It'll help out the channel. I feel like this is about to become a very bad addiction. So we've made it to the beach and it's absolutely freaking lit. So we got our own little spot here. Okay, so in last video I told you guys there was a ball that I bought like 3 years ago and it's still in its packaging from Walmart. So they usually sell these for like $20, $25, $30 at the beach. They actually sell them for like 10 bucks, but I saw this for 7. So pretty much what happens is it literally throw it, skip it, catch it. Yeah, so that's exciting. So I'm gonna get in the water, have some fun with this. I'm not just a head, I have my full body. I don't know why I had to make that clear. Right now, we're back at the truck. Obviously, it started to rain and thunder and lightning, and I don't know, it just doesn't seem safe to be in the water. So right now, Sandy is showering as best as she can. Thankfully, my 6-gallon water thing is actually working pretty well. I'm gonna shower, and then I'm gonna eat because I'm starving. Oh God, you're still recording. All right, so I've showered. We have about a gallon of water left. What I've learned from this is, one, I need a different type of release. So I need either a longer pipe or a hose type situation, because we wasted a lot of water trying to get situated. I feel like just had something that worked, it would have been a lot easier. We were hanging it off the side of the bed. Now we got things drying off. Let me show you guys my cooler situation. I feel like this is the best part of the whole thing. This thing, not Sandy, this thing was a beast. I mean, it started pouring and we actually were able to hide in there, change, dry, and get inside the truck dry. So that was a very big plus. So far, so good. It is sprinkling and it was supposed to be like hot, no chance of rain this whole time. So a little bit of a bummer, but honestly, it's not that bad. It keeps you a little bit cool. I just hope it doesn't get on my food too much. So let's get this whole food situation set up and we'll go from there. All right, so it's just an igloo cooler. I think we've had this for like 2 years, 3 years.
Yeah.
But inside of here, there's a layer of ice, ham, cheese, mayo, mustard, another layer of ice, juices, some desserts, lettuce, another layer of ice, and then we're at the top. So far so good. I'm actually very impressed. I'm super excited and I need to shut up because I'm starving. So we got a loaf of bread, very much going for like a Subway type of meal. We got some cheese puffs, pineapple, orange, banana, absolute fantastic. We got some shredded lettuce, mayonnaise, sliced provolone, and our source of protein is ham. This stuff smells good. I can't actually smell it. This is a dessert. It's called flan. I don't know if you know what it is, but you need to know what it is because it's absolutely delicious. Last but not least, we got our mustard. My camera is not wanting to cooperate, but it's okay. I got hungry, so I started eating the bread. Another thing that I'm missing is cups or some way of holding drinks, because right now we're reusing water bottles.
We clearly needed more advice. That was not given to us.
This is your guys' fault.
Yep.
Whenever she's not blaming me and she's blaming you, I'm right there with her. Also, some type of silverware, because I really want to eat this. Like, I've been craving this for months now and I don't know how I'm going to eat it. Like, I don't know if that's wrong. Do people just grab sticks off the ground and start using as utensils? I don't want to be that like weird camping group, you know?
Gosh.
There is very few things that can stop me from recording a video, and being this full is one of them. But I'm stuffed, and we ate half of the bag of Cheetos. It was a family size. We shouldn't have got that big a bag, but oh well. So we're gonna go throw this trash away and then we're gonna go for a walk, see what we find. All right, so I know this is a Toyota Tacoma based channel and I feel so weird out at the beach recording for you guys, but if it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be here in the first place. But I gotta say, this trip has been absolutely amazing. 8:19, I don't even know what time I'm gonna go to bed because I usually go to bed at like 12. So that means I have 4 hours to just wander. If you guys enjoy this type of video, I will be posting more of these type of videos, but if you don't, I'm still gonna be coming back by myself because I enjoyed it that much. There's these crabs and they're massive and they dig these little holes and they act like I don't know where they are. But they're in that, like he's in there. He's in there somewhere. I was surprised by how many crabs were actually just roaming around, digging holes and having fun. I want to catch one, but then I'm scared that the catch is it's gonna catch me. I'm scared it's gonna, you know, do the little thingy to my hand. Now I'm gonna roll some slow motion, so if you enjoy the slow motion, enjoy this because I'm about to go ham. Packing everything up now to go to bed, and everything is going smooth. Don't know, this is my first time ever doing it, so I'm like kind of lost on where to get even started. I think I'm gonna leave most of this stuff out, leave it, you know, tucked into my area. We're gonna inflate the bed. We're gonna get, you know, the back seat situated, make sure there's nothing that can pop the bed, get everything set up, and then I'll show you guys what it's like on the inside. All right, so we got the bed almost completely set up. It has its air, has this little support buddy here. Sorry for the poor lighting, but it's pretty dark out, so get nice and cozy, and then I guess we're just gonna chill out until we fall asleep. So about to close the door, let the AC run. All right. It's now the next morning. It is currently 7:58. We've been up since like 7. The air mattress is down here, so let me explain what exactly happened. So Sandy slept up here, I slept over here. We had the AC running, and that was nice and dandy. Everything was cool. But then we turned off the truck because we didn't want to leave the truck running for 8 hours. Then everything went south.
Downhill.
Very downhill. The air mattress completely flat, so I had to fill it back up. Then it held air. Then when it did finally hold air, it was way too hot. I had my little watch on me, and I saw it was like 9 o'clock, 9:45 when we were going to sleep. Then at 10:14, then at 11, then at 12:15, then at 1, Sandy was like my hourly reminder. Either it was uncomfortable, or it was too hot, or something.
No.
Yeah.
I was comfortable. It was just too hot.
So she ends up saying it's too hot and it's too uncomfortable to sleep on the mattress. So we take the mattress apart. She goes to the driver's seat to sleep, and then I just sit in the passenger side to sleep. After I showered, I didn't put any type of bug spray on, so I was expecting to wake up like absolutely destroyed. I cracked the windows a little bit. Turns out I only cracked one window. I thought I cracked all of them, and it was still extremely hot. Like, I woke up a couple times smacking my legs and like smacking my chest or smacking my arms because I thought there was a bug crawling on me, and it was just sweat. Other than that though, like just like the camping environment, there was a lot of noise. Sounded like trying to chop down a tree directly in front of us. The campsite to our left had kids, and they at like 1 a.m. had Sandy livid because they were screaming and crying. You know how it is, you know, kids scream and cry, whatever. I didn't really care. This is probably the saddest startup I've ever had. So there it is. We had this reserved from yesterday at 4 p.m. to today at 1 p.m. It's time to head back and, well, like surrender our little piece of tent area. One thing that I read all over the interwebs, every spot that I was, you know, trying to do my research on camping, everyone made sure to say to not leave a mess at your campsite. And thankfully, happily, I'm not. So yeah, if you go camping, don't leave a mess. Make sure to clean up after yourself, and if there is a mess, clean up for the person before you. I have never ever not wanted to leave a place so bad, but it's all right because we'll come back and we're going to be doing this way more often. We got a lot of stuff to do, a lot of stuff to bring next time, and I'm stoked. All right, and just like that, this video is gonna come to an end. So I hope you guys did enjoy. Again, this was my first ever camping trip, and it's not going to be my last. I'm super excited that I actually, you know, went out of my comfort zone. Sleeping in a truck, first off, okay, was very different for me. It didn't work out as planned, but of course there's always room to grow. That's the whole point of this thing. So yeah, we're gonna find a better way to sleep inside the truck, or maybe get a tent. We're gonna figure it out. But I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, a like, a comment, and a subscription would be very much appreciated. If you guys want to see more videos, I only know that by you commenting. So comment down below. Let me know how bad or how good I did for my first trip. Super excited, super stoked. And yeah, can't wait for the next trip. But other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. It's been your boy, Man Like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Peace.